Vomiting, medically known as emesis, is not a disease itself, but a violent defense mechanism of the body. It is your system's way of instantly ejecting toxins, bacteria, or poisons before they can be absorbed into the bloodstream. But the decision to vomit doesn't start in the stomach. It starts in the brain. A specific area in the brainstem called the chemoreceptor trigger zone acts as a security guard. It constantly scans your blood for foreign chemicals. Once it detects a threat, it sends an urgent signal to the vomiting center to initiate the launch sequence. Before the act itself, your body goes through the nausea phase. This is the preparation stage. You might notice your heart rate increasing and your skin becoming pale. Crucially, your mouth suddenly floods with saliva. This is not accidental. Stomach acid is extremely corrosive and can damage the enamel of your teeth. The body intentionally produces this extra alkaline-rich saliva to coat your teeth and throat, creating a protective buffer against the acid that is about to come up. Now the physical mechanism begins. It is a complex, coordinated event involving multiple muscles. First, you take a deep breath to avoid aspirating vomit into your lungs. Your glottis closes tightly to seal your windpipe. Then, a powerful process called retroperistalsis begins. Normally, your intestines push food down, but now they reverse the wave, pushing contents back up into the stomach. The stomach itself actually stays relatively passive. Instead, your diaphragm contracts downwards, and your abdominal muscles contract inwards violently. This squeezes the stomach between them like a balloon. The intense pressure forces the lower esophageal sphincter, the valve at the top of the stomach, to relax and open. With the exit path clear and pressure high, the gastric contents are propelled up through the esophagus and out of the mouth. Once the threat is expelled, the brain releases endorphins, which is why you often feel a sudden sense of relief or physical exhaustion immediately after. While unpleasant, this violent reflex is one of the body's most effective survival tools.